Hey, bro. Anybody ever tell you look like Beyonce? Nah, they usually tell me I like Shalissa. Who is that? Me, nigga. That boy just unlocked the swag. Look at that shoulder work.
Small up here. No, you just big up
in
here.
Forever, baby. Would you love me forever, baby? Would you love me forever, baby?
It's the
hell fucking no, man. It's really fucking red. Nigga talking shit. I'ma leave his ass dead.
Yeah.
Hold on. Shit is off the head. Hold on. My head red.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Y'all know we come with the smoothness a day. It ain't nothing new. We just be smooth. We do our thing. We say the ZEZE. I be saying, bro, people be saying the ZEZE trying to steal.
Hey, man, don't take my ZEZE.
We copyrighted it. Copyright infringement.
C-O, I be right. You heard me? What it do, YouTube? We back at it today with another reaction.
He said it best, man. What it do, man. Today we doing the Lil Wayne ZEZE.
And ZEZE, do you love me?
Hey.
No, it's Kiki, ain't it?
It is Kiki.
Damn.
My fault, Drake. He kind of got at some people's necks.
Did he now?
And it wasn't no kinda. Like, he came at their necks like he tried to kill him.
Got strings all in my faces. I can't
My
see.
faces ain't even a word.
It's gonna be one today.
But Weezy got at some necks. He got at Travis Scott, Kodak Black, Young Thug.
Damn.
I think it was another one. I'm not sure, but he got at their necks. The car reactions is lit. We doing our Thug Thizzle.
The bitch.
We doing our Thug Thizzle. Hey, we in the luxury. We ain't got no stars in the roof like Young Boy and them, but
Hey, bro, don't be disrespecting my my shit. It's okay, baby. It's okay.
We gonna get there. We
It's
gonna
okay.
get there. We gonna get the stars in the roof. We got the stars in our ears though, baby.
I got a couple carrots in there.
We
couple carrots in there.
Hey, don't think we without ice. We ain't iceless.
Couple carrots and a rabbit.
Silly rabbit tricks are for kids.
Oh, little horse.
Y'all better stop playing. We got the bars for days. Like I said, we got the smoothness and everything.
If you're not gang, don't use my lingo, suckers.
We copyright infringed it.
Oh my goodness. People always want to steal my swag.
Play the song, man. Play the song, man. The swag, the swag. Hey, he was going hard. He was going hard. We don't want to get copyrighted, so we ain't gonna play it. But it sounded just like that.
Probably made a hit or something.
We might have a hit, bro. So if we wake up in the morning and this got 1,500,000 million views, just know. What today what we reacting to Lil Wayne ZEZE. And he was at next, like the first line, like soon as the beat came on. I'm like, Willie had to stop the video because we was about to listen to the whole thing.
I'm sorry, oh my goodness gracious.
He stopped the video. I'm amazed because Weezy was at their necks. Wayne, from what we heard so far, man.
Without further ado,
Wayne, I feel like, you think Wayne gonna get the seal of approval?
it's Wayne. I just want to say this right now. It's Wayne, the greatest rapper of all time. I don't care what nobody say. So it's Wayne. He already got the seal.
Wayne gonna get that seal of approval, man. We calling it right now. Do the seal of approval. Man, without further ado, we about to jump right into this video. Up in the video.
In the video.
Shout out to my nigga Cwillie.
I like the way you
Time to
work
kill
your
the
fingers on that
phone.
phone.
Get this nigga Travis Scott off the hood. He trash.
I ain't heard that
Hell no. I gotta turn it up.
Talking shit, told him just relax. The niggas wearing dresses too, man. That's how bitches act. Yeah.
Whoa, why you doing like that?
Yeah. But I do this on my own, yeah. No Gucci man, yeah, this cushion my cologne, yeah.
That's hard.
Shit, dog, I give a bones, yeah. I made it scream, made it moan, yeah. Married to the map, baby, you alive. My girl pussy feel like heaven to a god. Then I came in this bitch with my niggas. Kidnapped the baby and a fucking babysitter. Yeah, I be doing me, don't give a fuck about what you doing. Blood gang, bitch, big beats, bustin' doings. I can do this shit, eyes closed, nothing to it. Will it fuck your body up and they ain't even trying to view it. I go tough, I go stupid. Make your pussy ass and everyone you can who's with. Fuck you with a pool stick, make you swallow toothpicks. Hell yeah, bitch, you know we ruthless. Yeah, it's east side, big B's in this bitch. Wish a nigga would
going in.
Put some weed in that bitch. That's my MO at a
Beat it at.
Yeah, hold on.
tore it down.
Yeah.
Twisted, doorknob.
Yeah.
Talk stupid, off what you had. Nigga money talks, and Mr. Ed.
Yeah.
It's her other tongue. Ski. Water gun.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at her butt. Energize a bunny.
Yeah, hold on.
See my niggas pulling up, bitch, we going dumb. If you niggas snitching, we gon' cut out your tongue. R.I.P. Molly G, nigga, red rum. These niggas is bums. These niggas is scummy. Fucking with your bitch. Yeah, this shit finna get ugly. Shout out to my slime, shout out to my real niggas. Shout out to my slime, shout out to my real killers. Yeah, niggas just pretend that pussy wet. I failed, they ain't got the dry top. Shout out bringing all the metal, they ain't got a best
He's
friend.
still going in.
Niggas never make it. Molly say 10, got a cup of them bands, smoking like second hand. Weezy L baby got the fucking pots of pants. I'm rolling
Got
up
the fucking
bands,
pots of pants.
Yeah.
Bitch, I'm the shit, leave your toilet stopped up. I go and get that paper, I go and get that cheddar. These niggas run their mouth, they do not know no better. These bitches think they clever, I'm finna fuck that bitch. I put it in the back, then leave you in that ditch. Yeah, shot it well like I'm
He is going crazy.
Wayne though, I try to tell you.
I'm already knowing.
I fuck your bitch a new Adidas, y'all. And I don't really need no features. I don't really need no features.
He started singing. Bro, he got the seal of approval already.
I need a new freezer. Yeah.
Hold on, he's still going in.
Codeine poured in a 2-liter. Y'all niggas sipping on that fugazi.
He's still going in.
Mama and your old lady. Bitch, you know I'm brazy. I'm trying to fuck Molly Brazy. Weezy. Yeah, shout out to my nigga Swills. He told me to kill this motherfucker. You know
He
what I'm saying?
went in
My
for
nigga Swills
3 minutes and
finna
50
know
seconds,
when I
and it
told
sounded
him
like
to kill
nothing but a
him,
free
kill him,
Steely.
bitch, you know what I'm saying? Fucking young thug, Kodak, black, whoever the fuck. These niggas ain't fucking with me. It's only one goal, and that's me, nigga Wayne, and this motherfucker, nigga. Fuck you.
I think Wayne deserved 4 seal of approvals. We already gave him 3. How many more do you need, Weezy? Cause at this point you're gonna take them all. It ain't gonna be nothing left for nobody else.
That's about 7, 8, 9 seals of approvals.
Seals of
Oh
approvals.
my goodness gracious.
You can't be stealing niggas seals of approvals, man. We gotta get him out to the other niggas after you. You done got about 8,000, 2,500, 6,000 Grammys. He trying to get all the seal of approvals.
How many?
8,000, 2,500, 6,000 Grammys. Wayne did his thing.
That is Wayne.
I wasn't expecting him to just come off at that. You know what I'm saying? People do the subliminal dissing and shit. Like I'd be like, man, say something. If a nigga say something about light skin, you know what I'm saying? Highlight, you know what I'm saying? But
Why
that
do we
nigga-
have to use that example?
I'm just saying like a diss or something.
Is it some aggression in here? Do I need? Is it something going on
Is
in
it an
the air?
elephant in the room?
Let me make sure it ain't. All right.
No, we good.
Okay.
But he came out and said these niggas' names. Get Travis Scott off the
First
fucking...
of all, he started off crazy. Travis Scott fucked up the house song. So fuck you, nigga. And he didn't even rap about you no more. That was it. That was it. That's all you got.
Then he said Young Thug was gay. And he said Lil Uzi. That's who the other nigga was.
Damn.
I ain't. That's a no for me, dog.
It's
It's a no for me, dog.
a life.
if y'all think Weezy deserved a seal of approval, man, go ahead and spam them comments. Put that seal of approval down there with that seal of approval medal down there at the bottom. Y'all know what emoji it is, because it's going to pop up every time we give him a seal of approval. And he got about how many seal of approvals?
29,800 trillion thousand. Is that what you said? Did I get it right?
30,000.
Did you do it?
You got it right, bro. You got
I
it
thought
right.
so.
You too smooth to
I
get it
thought
wrong,
so.
man. You too smooth to get it wrong, man. Electric Boogaloo. Give it to me. You got it.
I don't want it no more. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my god.
I want it no
Throw up.
Man, we out of here, man. Y'all was lit today. We was too lit, baby.
Suckers.